Yo, what's up everybody? It's Vester back again with a new video. And today, we're diving deep into the world of blockchain. Now you might have heard about Bitcoin or Ethereum. They've been pretty hard to miss lately. But the tech behind them is evolving fast. We're talking decentralized finance, NFTs, the whole ecosystem. It's kind of like when smartphones first dropped. Everyone knew they were a big deal, but nobody knew exactly how they'd change things. That's where we are with blockchain right now. So in this video, we're breaking down the biggest trends, the tech you need to know, and why it actually matters. Whether you're a crypto newbie or you've been holding since day one, this video's got something for you. We're gonna keep it real, keep it informative, and hopefully make this whole blockchain thing a little less intimidating. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk DeFi, or decentralized finance. Now this is all about taking the middleman, the banks, the institutions, out of the equation. Imagine lending, borrowing, and earning interest on your crypto, all without a single bank involved. That's the power of DeFi. It's built on these things called smart contracts, which are basically self-executing agreements on the blockchain. This means everything is transparent, secure, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. No more gatekeepers, no more hidden fees, just pure decentralized finance. Next up we got NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. You've probably seen the headlines: digital art selling for millions, people claiming ownership of tweets, the whole metaverse thing. It's wild, right? But beneath the hype, NFTs represent a fundamental shift in how we think about ownership in the digital world. Think about it. Before NFTs, it was almost impossible to truly own a piece of digital content. You could copy and paste it a million times over. But with NFTs, you have a unique verifiable record on the blockchain that says, "This is mine." And that opens up a whole world of possibilities, from digital art and collectibles to virtual real estate and even in-game items. Now, one of the challenges with blockchain technology is that it can be a bit, well, fragmented. You've got all these different blockchains operating independently, kind of like separate islands. That's where interoperability comes in. It's all about building bridges between these islands, allowing different blockchains to communicate and share information seamlessly. And this is huge because it unlocks a whole new level of collaboration and innovation in the space. We're talking about transferring assets between different blockchains, creating more complex and interconnected applications. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Now, as blockchain technology becomes more popular, it's running into a bit of a speed bump: scalability. You see, most blockchains have a limited capacity for how many transactions they can process per second. And as more users come on board, things can get a little, shall we say, congested. But don't worry, developers are all over this. We're talking about things like Layer 2 solutions, sharding, and new consensus mechanisms that are designed to supercharge transaction speeds and make blockchain networks more efficient. This is crucial for mass adoption because, let's be real, nobody wants to wait an hour for a transaction to go through. Alright, let's talk CBDCs, or Central Bank Digital Currencies. You know how everyone's been talking about going cashless? Well, CBDCs take that to the next level. Essentially, they're digital versions of a country's fiat currency, issued and regulated by the central bank itself. Now, there's a lot of debate around CBDCs, privacy concerns, potential impact on the financial system, the whole shebang. But one thing's for sure, they have the potential to revolutionize how we think about money. Faster transactions, lower costs, and increased financial inclusion are just some of the potential benefits. Next up, we're talking about two of the most hyped-up technologies of our time: blockchain and artificial intelligence. Now you might be thinking, what do these two have in common? Well, more than you might think. When you combine the power of blockchain's secure and transparent ledger with AI's ability to analyze massive amounts of data, you get a recipe for some truly groundbreaking applications. We're talking about everything from supply chain management and fraud detection to personalized healthcare, and even self-executing contracts that adapt to real-world data. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the environmental impact of blockchain technology. Specifically, the energy consumption of cryptocurrency mining has been a major concern. But here's the thing. The industry is fully aware of this issue, and there's a huge push towards more sustainable solutions. We're talking about proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms which consume significantly less energy than proof of work. We're also seeing the rise of carbon-neutral NFTs and blockchain projects focused on renewable energy. It's an ongoing journey, but the future of blockchain is looking greener all the time. Finally, let's talk about governance in the blockchain space. One of the core principles of blockchain is decentralization, the idea that no single entity should have control. But with that comes the challenge of how to make decisions and govern these networks effectively. That's where governance models come in. We're talking about things like on-chain voting, where token holders have a say in the future of the project. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are also gaining traction, allowing for more community-driven decision-making. It's all about finding the right balance between decentralization and efficiency, ensuring that these networks are managed transparently and democratically. So there you have it, a rundown of the biggest blockchain trends shaping the future. From DeFi and NFTs to interoperability and sustainability, the blockchain space is evolving at an insane pace. It's disruptive, it's exciting, and it has the potential to change the world as we know it. It's like the Wild West of technology right now, full of opportunity, but also with its fair share of risks. But hey, that's what makes it so interesting, right? So, stay curious, do your research, and remember, this is just the beginning. Thanks for tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech deep dives, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.